JCM Compassionate Ministries Church Leadership Committee Ruiru. Dear Church Leadership Committee, referencing a stepping down from the office of the Matron, I hope this finds you well. Please accept this letter as a formal notice of my stepping down from my position as the Matron of JCM Christ Compassionate Ministries International, effective today, the 13th September 2024. I have thoroughly enjoyed my time at JCM and appreciate the valuable experience and opportunities provided during my tenure as the Matron of our great church. I have arrived at the decision after a soul search, and I believe it's the right time to pave way for others to serve in the same capacity. I appreciate every opportunity that was presented on my line of duty, and I wish to transition out of my current role with immediate effect. I am committed to ensuring a seamless transition and will be happy to assist in any way necessary to facilitate this process. Thank you once again for the opportunity to serve, and I look forward to seeing how the Lord will continue to use this ministry for His glory. Thank you. Signed by Dama Wajir.